Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can blur background of image in the Canva. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So let's move to the screen. Firstly, open the Canva application and then select any template. For example, I am selecting social media and Instagram story. So after that you will see the options of upload. So then upload your pictures. So here you can upload your pictures on which you want to blur background. For example, I want to blur background of these pictures. So I will click on it and you can see this picture is uploading. So after uploading, just click on it again and after that resize your pictures. After adjusting the size, you will see the effect options. Click on it and then click on effect and then you will see blur options. So click on it and then select whole image and then increase the intensity. So after that go back and then again click on upload options and then again select these pictures. So after that you will see effect options. Click on it again and then click on BG removal. So here wait some second. So after that adjust the size of your pictures. So guys, you can see the background of this picture is blurred very accurately. So in this way you can blur your picture's background and after that you can download it when you will click on share options and then click on download and then click on download options. So guys, in this way you can blur background of your pictures and download it from Canva application. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.